Hello children, welcome to my channel Study Time and I am Gurmeet Kaur. Today we are going to discuss question answers from the chapter Caged Bird. It's chapter 13 of New Images, class 8. So A1 part is answer these questions. So let's begin. Question number 1. What does the phrase his bars of rage imply? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ इम्प्लाई हेयर. तो यहाँ पे आपको इम्प्लाई मीन्स टू सजेस्ट समथिंग इन एन इनडायरेक्ट वे. तो ये बार्स ऑफ रेज इनडायरेक्टली क्या समझाना चाहती है? विदाउट सेइंग व्हेन you suggest something in an indirect way, that means imply. So the phrase his bars of rage implies that the bars instill anger in the caged bird. Okay. Number 2. How has the poetess brought out the theme of juxtaposing the free and the caged birds? The poetess has brought out the theme by juxtaposing. Juxtaposing means to put two people or things very close together, especially in order to show how they are different. So how they were different? The free bird and the caged bird. So the answer is the free bird is free to do anything. On the other hand, the caged bird's aspirations are as trapped as himself. अब जो bird free थी वो तो कुछ भी कर सकती है. It can move anywhere around in the sky. But what about the caged bird? That it is trapped. तो उसी तरह उसकी aspirations, उसकी ख्वाहिशें भी उसी तरह से trapped थी. The caged bird's aspirations are as trapped as himself. Number 3. Explain the expressions of fearful trill. What's the meaning of a fearful trill here? A fearful trill refers to the soft, sweet and high-pitched sound a bird makes when it is nervous. So it is soft, sweet, high-pitched sound a bird makes when it is nervous. Number 4. What does the caged bird sing of and why? तो caged bird ने क्या गाया? The caged bird sings of freedom. उसको आजादी चाहिए थी, है ना? Because he is trapped in the cage. The caged bird sings of freedom because he longs for it. The second part, A2 part, is answer these questions with reference to the context. Here is the free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds soft through the sighing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn, and he names the sky as his own. तो इस stanza में क्या है? जो free bird के बारे में बात हो रही है. So the question here is, what is the free bird free to think? वो क्या सोचने के लिए free है? The free bird is free to think about anything. Nobody and nothing dictates its thoughts. तो उसकी thoughts जो है किसी की बंदिश में नहीं है. It is totally free to think about anything. B part, what does he feed on? The free bird feeds on fat worms. C part, what does the poetess imply? By he names the sky his own. By saying he names the sky his own, Maya Angelou means that the bird owns the sky. He is that free. कि जैसे पूरा आकाश उसी का है, वो उतनी ज़्यादा free है. Now second part, but a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied. So he opens his throat to sing. तो यहाँ पर जो है इस stanza में caged bird के बारे में बात हो रही है कि वो किस position में है. So what is the question number A? What does the phrase the grave of dreams imply? The phrase the grave of dreams implies that the caged bird's dreams have died within the cage. क्योंकि वो कुछ कर तो नहीं पा रहा है, लेकिन वो अंदर ही अंदर उसकी जो ड्रीम्स हैं वो सब भी they all have died. So caged birds' dreams have died within the cage. What do you think a caged bird can't do with his wings clipped? अब उसकी wings are clipped, so what he can't do, with his wings clipped, a caged bird can no longer fly. C part. Why does he start singing? He sings because he cannot fly and he needs to give vent to his frustrations. तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा frustrated है और वो उसे बाहर निकालना चाहता है यहाँ पर, इसलिए वो गा रहा है. He sings because he cannot fly and needs to give vent to his frustrations. A3 part here is think and answer. Question number 1 is who do you think the free bird and the caged bird represent? अब ये जो free bird है और ये caged bird है किसे represent कर रहे हैं? The caged bird represents the African Americans who were oppressed mindlessly by the white people who are the free birds. तो ये जो अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन्स थे जिनको ऑप्रेस किया जाता था, ऑप्रेस मीन्स टू क्रश, टू बर्डन, टू अब्यूज, है ना, बाय अब्यूज ऑफ पावर ऑफ अथॉरिटी. ये जो फ्री बर्ड्स है यहाँ पर दे आर दी वाइट पीपल. तो ये जो फ्री है इनके पास जो अथॉरिटी है ये उससे अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन्स को अब्यूज करते थे, उन्हें उनकी जो लिबर्टी है उसे क्रश करते थे. So it was kind of the, you can say in Hindi, उत्पीड़ित करना किसी को. Okay, to keep something down using cruel or unjust powers. So this is how they were oppressed. Question number 2. Just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. Hans Christian Andersen. Comment on the importance of freedom and light of the above statement. अब यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही अच्छी statement दी गई है by Hans Christian Andersen ने, just living is not enough. जिंदा रहना तो सब कुछ नहीं होता, इंसान को सब कुछ चाहिए, जैसे सनशाइन चाहिए, जैसे फ्रीडम चाहिए, लिटिल फ्लावर, you know, something. They need so many things. We all need so many things in life. Just living is not enough. The above statement is true because just living a life without freedom is like living a life without colors, hope and happiness. When a person is free to do what he wants to do, then only he can enjoy his life. He can excel in his life. So right to freedom generates liberty of expression and speech. So that is why freedom is very important in everyone's life. अगर आप free हैं, then only you have hopes, you have colors of happiness, you can enjoy your life, you know, you can excel in many things. So freedom generates liberty of expression, speech. So that is why freedom is very, very important. Just living is not important. Okay. I hope सभी को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अच्छे से समझ आ गए होंगे. Still you have a doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I surely reply to you. And if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe. Thank you.